What if you could leave the outside world and travel inside the most advanced machine ever created, your body? Every second, your body performs millions of actions without asking for attention, without pause. And this journey begins in the mouth, where food, air, taste, speech, and survival all meet at one gateway. The moment you swallow, a perfectly timed system begins, pushing food downward with waves of controlled muscle movement. You do not think about this movement, but your body coordinates it with precision greater than any machine. Now we enter the stomach, a living chemical laboratory designed to break food into usable energy. Acid and enzyme their work, separating nutrients from waste and preparing the body for absorption. Even here, the body protects itself, because the stomach must contain acid strong enough to dissolve food. From the stomach, food moves into the small intestine, where most of the real nutrition is absorbed. Tiny finger-like structures called villi increase the surface area, allowing nutrients to pass into the bloodstream. Every bite you take becomes information, energy, repair material, and fuel for billions of living cells. Once nutrients enter the blood, they join a river that reaches almost every corner of the body. Your bloodstream is not just liquid, it is a transportation network carrying oxygen and nutrients. Red blood cells carry oxygen, giving your muscles, brain, and organs the power to continue working. White blood cells patrol like intelligent guards, searching for invaders before they can damage the body. When harmful particles enter, the immune system responds with speed, memory, and remarkable coordination. Now we move toward the lungs. Each breath becomes the beginning of cellular energy. Deep inside the lungs are tiny air sacs called alveoli, where oxygen enters and carbon dioxide leaves. This exchange is so delicate that the wall between air and blood is thinner than paper. With every breath, your lungs expand like living trees, pulling air into thousands of tiny branches. At the center of this system is the heart, a powerful pump that works from before birth until the final moment. Heart valves open and close with perfect timing, making sure blood moves in only one direction. Each heartbeat sends blood through the body, carrying oxygen, removing waste, and keeping organs alive. The heart also has its own electrical system, sending signals that control rhythm, force, and timing. From the heart, arteries branch into smaller vessels, delivering life to tissues you never even think about. In the smallest vessels, oxygen finally leaves the blood and enters the cells that need it. Inside every cell is a world of activity, with instructions, power stations, repair crews, and mitochondria turn food and oxygen into usable energy, allowing muscles to move and organs to function. Inside the nucleus is DNA, the biological instruction code that helps guide growth, repair, and function. Your DNA contains instructions so detailed that every cell knows how to behave in the body. Now we arrive at the liver, one of the body's greatest processing centers. The liver helps process nutrients and manage energy stores. It filters harmful substances and supports digestion. It also produces bile, helping the body break down fats and absorb important nutrients. Next are the kidneys, silent filters that clean the blood and balance water, salts, and minerals. Every day, your kidneys filter large amounts of blood, removing waste while saving what the body needs. Waste leaves the body through urine, but the process behind it is a masterpiece of balance and control. Muscles are not only for movement, they support posture, protect joints, and help regulate metabolism. When your brain sends a signal, muscle fibers contract, creating movement with incredible speed and accuracy. After effort, muscles repair and adapt, becoming stronger when rest, nutrition, and training are balanced. Bones may look solid, but inside they are living tissue, constantly repairing and renewing themselves. Inside bone marrow, new blood cells are produced, supporting oxygen transport. Together, bones, muscles, tendons, and joints create a structure capable of strength, balance, and movement. The skin is your body's outer shield, protecting you from the environment while sensing the world around you. It helps control temperature, prevent fluid loss, fight microbes, and send touch signals to the brain. Every touch, pressure, pain, and temperature change becomes a signal moving through nerves. The nervous system is the body's communication network. It is faster than any road system humans have built. Signals travel from the brain to the body, and from the body back to the brain. And now we reach the brain, the control center of thought, memory, movement, emotion, and awareness. Neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals, forming networks that shape every experience you have. When you learn something new, connections can strengthen, showing that the brain can change with experience. Memories are not stored like files in a drawer. They are patterns across living networks. Your brain and heart constantly communicate, influencing stress, calmness, focus, and emotional balance. These messages influence energy, growth, sleep, appetite, stress response, and many hidden body functions. After eating, the body carefully manages blood sugar, moving energy into cells where it can be used. During sleep, the body repairs tissues, balances hormones, organizes memory, and restores. Hormones act like chemical messages, carrying instructions from glands to organs throughout the body. Sleep is not wasted time. It is maintenance time for the brain and body. When danger appears, the stress system prepares the body to react quickly and survive. But constant stress can disturb sleep, digestion, immunity, and long-term health. Slow breathing can signal safety to the nervous system, helping the body return to balance. Inside the gut live trillions of microbes. They help digestion, immunity, and even chemical communication. A healthy gut environment depends on food quality, fiber, hydration, movement, and sleep. Water supports circulation, temperature control, digestion, joint movement, and cellular chemistry. Even small changes in hydration can affect energy, focus, mood, and physical performance. Movement is one of the strongest signals you can give your body to stay capable and resilient. Exercise improves circulation. It strengthens muscles and bones. It supports the brain and helps regulate metabolism. Food is not just calories. It is raw material for repair, hormones, immunity, energy, and brain chemistry. The body builds itself from what you repeatedly give it, day after day. Aging is not one single process. It involves repair, inflammation, energy production, and cellular communication. Your daily choices can support the body's natural repair systems, even though no one can stop time completely. The body is not a collection of separate parts. It is one connected, living system. When one system struggles, others respond. When one system improves, the whole body can benefit. This is why health is built through patterns, not single tricks. Sleep, food, movement, breathing, and recovery. And after this journey, one truth becomes clear. Your body is working for you every second. Take care of it with respect, and it will carry you through life with strength, intelligence, and quiet brilliance.